Quick overview and introduce highlight features of Ling Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner Wireless Wet and Dry Dual-Use Vacuum Cleaner. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Portable vacuum utilizes a 120-watt ultra-high power motor with suction up to 3,200 PA. In addition to sucking out daily pet hair and paper debris, it can also clear those hard-to-reach unseen motes. As small as 0.3 microns, hidden deeply in sofas and mattresses. With 3 different types of attachments, the portable cordless vacuum can help you thoroughly clean the dust of sofa, wall, stairs and other hard-to-reach areas. The rubber jar attachment can even make it suck up to 100 ml of liquid for each time. Provide a full range of cleaning your home environment. No more worry about liquid and dead corners. Adopted the latest generation of fast charge technology and self-developed intelligent power management technology, cordless vacuum can fully charge its battery in 3 to 4 hours. Meantime, the temperature protection, input voltage protection, input current protection, and short circuit protection better ensure equipment's safety throughout the charging process. Adopted 4x 2200 mAh high-capacity lithium batteries with working time up to 20 minutes, now possesses the longest sucking time in the market of handheld vacuum cleaners. At the same time, the portable vacuum goes with a 600 ml large-capacity dust collection cup to meet the need of deep cleaning dirty needs from your kitchen, living room to bedroom. The product can be used for cleaning work in homes and cars, with long cleaning time and large power, making your car and family more tidy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.